Hi guys, just thought I'd give you a look-see at this Marauder that I was talking about before. So I thought I'd open it up and show you what's inside. So this is the 48 scale Marauder from ICM. I thought I'd give you a little look-see at what it's like. So let's have a look what's in the box. When I get the lid off. As usual, nice big strong box for all this stuff. Open it up. Here's the instruction sheet. So again, as you expect from ICM, lots and lots of information, lots and lots of good, well laid out description of where the parts are going to go and all that sort of stuff. Nice big decal sheet. This one also, which I didn't realise, also contains, again, one of my favourite markings, which is Big Hairy Bird. Great little scheme, nice little aeroplane. So there you go. So there's that. So let's see what's in the bags. So this is all airframe, wings, things like that. Clear parts. I'll just get that out of the way for a minute. So nice, all the clear parts, which they've wrapped up, which is very nice. Nice way of doing things. And they are crystal clear. Got two choices of canopies, just lovely. This is what ICM's become so well known for. Very clear parts, beautifully detailed sets, just things like that. Just superb. All the marking, all the detail on the wing is just lovely. So lots and lots in there. This is the cockpit floor, or no? This is part of the this is part of the cockpit floor. So that's pretty cool. It's even got, if you have a look at the rudder there, this is the fabric part, subtle, not overdone, just subtle. So that's well done from there. So that's that part. Let's have a look at the big fuselage. This is a jam-packed bag. Okay, so we've got the fuselage. So it's interesting that they've released it as a separate part. Maybe they've got plans to do other versions of it. Not that there's that much choices, but there is changes to the tail end maybe to come. But yeah, so that's really, really nicely done. Not all the detail on the interior, so it's just kept fairly minimal. Around the cockpit, tail section, all those sort of parts have got detailed. They haven't gone nuts on other places that you're not going to see, so that's brilliant. This is your engines and wheels, prop, just lovely, just nicely detailed. All the exhausts, you've got bombs there, racks, all sorts of things. So it's, again, just beautifully done. So that's just superb. What have we got left? We've got left, this appears to be just all the little bits and pieces. Oh, this is part of the bomb rack area, bomb bay. All little instrument panel, or instrument bits and pieces. Just superb. Just lovely. And then this is the final sprue. This is your flaps, these are your seats, all the sorts of bits and pieces there. Part of the flap system. Gun turret piece, wheels. There's some more of the guns there for the rear. Just lovely. Just a superb kit. I can't wait to get into it. Might be one of those ones I sort of put everything else aside and go from there. So, guys, this is a lovely kit. If you're looking for one, look, it's not cheap. It's over about $180, $200 mark, but it is well worth it. So drop in and see us. We've got them in stock, or they should be online in the next few days. Come and see us if you want to have a talk to me, have a look at this one. You're more than welcome. See you then. Have a great day. Enjoy your modelling.